The number line is helpful for ordering several real numbers. For two numbers, however, it's easier to show order or compare using one of the inequality symbols, the is greater than or the is less than symbol. Problem 3, ordering real numbers. How do the square root of 17 and 3.8 compare? Use the is greater than symbol or the is less than symbol. Let's compare both numbers to the square root of 16. That makes sense for a variety of reasons. It's easy to compare to the square root of 17. It's also, well, 16 is a perfect square, so its square root is 4, and that's easy to compare to 3.8. So we know the square root of 16 is less than the square root of 17, because 16 is less than 17. We also know that 3.8 is less than the square root of 16, because, as I mentioned before, the square root of 16 is 4, and 3.8 is less than 4. Therefore, 3.8 is less than the square root of 17, or we could write it, the square root of 17 is greater than 3.8. And it's a good idea to check. We can use a calculator to convert the square root of 17 to a decimal and see that it's approximately equal to 4.123. And sure enough, 3.8 is less than 4.123. Your turn. How did the square root of 26 and 6.25 compare? Use the same symbols as before. And part B, a reasoning item. Let A, B, and C be real numbers such that A is less than B and B is less than C. How do A and C compare? Explain.